Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to clear your history, browsing data, and cookies from the Safari app on your iPhone. Clearing history, browsing data, or cookies can sometimes fix issues with some web pages not loading correctly or not showing some forms or links on the web page. So on your iPhone, open the Safari app. Now tap on the book icon at the bottom right. Now tap on the clock icon at the top right. Here are the websites you have visited on your Safari app. Then tap on clear at the bottom right. Now you'll get 4 options. Choose all time, which will delete all the history, browsing data, and cookies. You can also do the same action from your settings app. Go to your settings, scroll down, find Safari, then scroll down and tap on clear history and website data. And there you go, that is how to clear your history, browsing data, and cookies from the Safari app on your iPhone. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.